Si ano kung tingnan ako, si Teo.
Si Teo.
Awang-awa.
Oh.
Sabi ko, hindi ako nasasaktan.
Oh, dapat i-explain sa bata na hindi masakit.
Oo.
Kasi ayaw yakapin ni Teo eh.
Akala niya nasasaktan.
Ayaw. Na first time nakakita ng oxygen.
It's an oxygen.
It's not painful. No pain. Hindi masakit yun.
It's oxygen.
No, ouch.
Oh,
I'm not
no ouch.
Do you love Nanay? Say, I love you, Nanay. You say it. It's Nanay's birthday. You greet Nanay happy birthday. You greet her. Say happy birthday,
Sing
Nanay.
happy birthday to Nanay. Sing
Say,
na.
I love you.
you say, I love you, Nanay. Happy birthday.
Uy, ano kwento sa school?
Oh, good.
Anong kwento
Ay,
sa
naku
school?
po. Akala